Hi friends, welcome back to our Modern Maths YouTube channel. Okay, in this class we are going to learn long questions. So important 7 marks questions we will start from the beginning, and those are very easy problems are there. Before that, just 3 very short questions are left in the previous part. Just I complete this, then after we can enter into long questions. So 65th one, sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared dx. So here also let assume that tan inverse x is equal to some t. By differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to d by dx of t. So what is derivation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x is equal to dt by dx. Dx bring left side, so it becomes 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. So these two terms will be substituted in the given problem. So by taking given problem, sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx is written as integration of sin of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So immediately sin means we can write sin, but instead of tan inverse x, what we can write? T. So we get sin t, and instead of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, from here can be written as dt. So it becomes simply sin t. What is the integration of sin x minus cos x? So here it is in terms of t, so minus cos and plus. This is the answer. And finally, t means what? We have to substitute the final answer, tan inverse. So answer is cos of tan inverse x plus. This is the answer. Similarly here, let us assume x plus 1 by x is equal to t. So after these two problems, we can enter into 7 marks. So derivation with respect to x on both sides, x derivation is 1 and 1 by x derivation is minus 1 by x square, and t derivation is dt by dx. So similarly, bring dx left side, becomes 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. So now also substitute this one and this one in the question. What is question? 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x dx, and which is equal, you can make as first e power x plus 1 by x I am writing, and into 1 minus 1 by x square dx I am writing. So which is equal to integration of e power. What is x plus 1 by x? That means t. So t, and 1 minus 1 by x square dx nothing but dt. So dt. What is the integration of e power x? E power x. Similarly, integration of e power t is e power and plus c. What do you mean by t? T means what? X plus 1 by x. So finally, answer should be expressed in terms of x. That's it. So here, question is integration log of 1 plus x. I am rewriting this one as this is, we will be going to write log of 1 plus x into 1 by 1 plus x dx. Why? Because of generally log x derivation is 1 by x. So log of 1 plus x derivation becomes 1 by 1 plus x. So if you take this is function, the derivation of this one is 1 by 1 plus x. That means this is in the formation of integration of f to the power of n of x into f dash of x dx. The formula of this one is f to the power of n plus 1 of x by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, now, so here what is the log of function whole power is 1 only. So this is function power n into function derivation. It is in the form. So we can apply this formula. According to this formula, here it is, this is the function. So that is called, we get log of 1 plus x whole power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. So this is called 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x whole square plus c. This is the answer. That's it. These are the 67 very short questions we have completed. So next long questions. Okay. Okay. So long questions. Some important formulas only few times these formulas are repeated in the 7 marks problems. First one already we know this one, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Okay. So only by using this formula, first 4 problems can be solved 7 marks. Those are very most important. So remaining will be can use in the remaining 7 marks problems. So one see integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. Just like what is the integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square? Sin inverse x. Otherwise derivation of sin inverse x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So like that, this the derivation integration is sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay. So similarly, second one, cos h inverse x by a. We have to by hand these formulas. If you learn in orderly, then formulas will be remembered. Otherwise, some difficult. Okay, 1 by root of x square plus a square. Okay, sin inverse cos h inverse. This becomes sin h inverse. Sin h inverse x by a plus. And obviously 1 by x square plus a square means 1 by 1 plus x square. What is their integration? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivation is 1 by 1. We write the derivation of sin inverse x, derivation of tan inverse x, and derivation of sin h inverse x. Only using these formulas increased, we get those formulas. This is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is 1 by 1 plus x square. This is 1 by root of x square minus 1. So using these formulas only. So take this one. 1 by root of 1 minus x square integration is sin inverse x. If a is there, the formula becomes x by a. And x square minus 1. Okay. So you will just remember these formulas. And what about this one? 1 by x square plus a square is tan inverse x by a. And additionally we get here there is no root, 1 by a tan inverse x by a will be plus c. And the formula of these two are like same, 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. And this is also 1 by 2a into log of x square minus a square, x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, note down formulas. And here, so these three are important formulas, especially. So formula root of a square minus x square dx integration is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into what is this root of a square minus x square term consists sin inverse. So into sin inverse x by a plus. Next, same, this is also like x by 2 into same term root of x square minus a square. And what is the formula of root of x square minus a square? Cos h inverse x by 2. But here a square consists minus, so we get minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse x by 2. So don't think about difficulty in this. If we solve 7 marks long question, we can remember this automatically. Without these formulas also, I will tell you how to do 7 marks questions. First, let us just write them and enter into 7 marks problems. Okay, last one, integration of x square plus a square. How can we write the same process? X by 2 root of x square plus a square plus what is this root of x square plus a square? Yes, sin h inverse x by 2. So a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a plus. Okay, these formulas. So now let us start important 7 marks questions. Okay friends, first method of long questions. We have 3-4 type of methods are there, but this is the first method is 99% we can expect the long question. So that much very much important, this first long question. So the method of the first math question lies in the form of integration of a cos x plus b sin x plus c by b cos x plus e sin x plus f dx. Okay. So how to do means this type of problems we have to split the numerator in the form of, what is numerator? A cos x plus b sin x plus c can be a into d by dx of denominator. What is denominator? A cos x plus b sin x plus f, and plus b into denominator. B into denominator. What is denominator? B cos x plus b sin x plus f, and plus some constants. In this way we have to rewrite the given numerator in terms of denominator. Then continue, we get the solution. For example, not only example, let us, I'm taking first long question based on this method. Okay. So first one, evaluate integration 9 cos x minus sin x, 9 cos x minus sin x by, question diagram, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Write down question dx. Okay. One I will tell you, the second one same model I will give you. Solution. First, given that the question is integration of 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. So what we have to do? In the first step, 9 cos x minus sin x, the numerator is going to be write a into derivation of denominator. What is denominator? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and plus b into again denominator. This denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and plus c. So actually here numerator does not contain constant term. So here no need to write constant, because of comparing both sides, constant here is there, here not there, nothing but c value is 0. So don't write c is better. So because of constant is not available. So then a into derivation of 4 sin x. 4 is constant, right as it is. Sin x derivation cos x, and plus 5 as it is. Cos x derivation of cos x what? Minus sin x, and plus as it is b4 sin x plus 5 cos x. We have to find a and b values. So a into 4, 4a cos x, a into 5 into minus sin x, so minus 5a sin x, okay, plus b into 4 sin x becomes 4b sin x, plus b into 5 cos x becomes 5b cos x. So what are the cos x terms? Here 4a cos x, here 5b cos x. So take cos x common, we get 4a, and here we get plus 5b. So 4a plus 5b into cos x. Next, similarly, sin x terms. What are the sin x terms? Here minus 5a, here 4b, and the minus also I am taking common. So we get 5a minus 4b sin x. And what is the left hand term? Left hand side term 9 cos x minus sin x. Now equating like terms means what are the cos x coefficient? What is the cos x coefficient? Here cos x coefficient 9, here cos x coefficient 4a plus 5b. Okay. Similarly here sin x coefficient minus of 5a minus 4b, here sin x coefficient minus 4. So what I am writing? Equating like terms. Otherwise, okay, equating like terms. Otherwise, we can write comparing cos x coefficients, comparing sin x coefficients. Also, we can write. So simply I am writing equating like terms. So what are the like terms? Here cos x coefficient, here cos x coefficient 9. So we get 4a plus 5b is equal to 9 by equating cos x terms. Similarly, sin x terms equating, here sin x coefficient minus 1, here sin x coefficient minus of 5a minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled. Simply we get 5a minus 4b equal to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. So by solving 1 and 2 we can get a and b values. How? See, here a coefficient 5, here a coefficient 4. So to multiply this one with 5, we get 5 4 ja 20. Here also I am going to multiply with 4. 4 5 ja 20. So 20 20 same terms we get. By subtracting we can remove a terms and get b value. Otherwise, equating b coefficients. To equate b coefficient, here 5 can be multiplied with 4. 4 can be multiplied with 5. So first one I am multiplying with 4. 4 into equation 1. Getting what? 4 into equation 1 means 4 4 ja 16a, 4 5 ja 20b, 4 9 ja 36. Similarly, second one is multiplied with 5. 5 into equation 2. So 5 into 5, 25a, 5 into minus 4, minus 20b, 5 into 1, 5. So plus 20b minus 20b gets cancelled by adding these two equations. 16a plus 25a becomes what? 41a is equal to 36 plus 5 what? 41. So 41 1 ja, 41 1 ja, a equal to 1. We got it, a value is 1. Okay, a value is 1. Next b value. So we substitute this a value 1 in equation 1, or you can substitute in equation 2. So I am substituting in equation 1. What is equation 1? 4a, a means 1 no? Plus 5b, b means b only, is equal to 9. So 5b is equal to 9. This 4 into 1, 4 send right side becomes minus 4. So 5b is equal to, what do you get? 9 minus 4 means 5. So 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. What is b value? 1. So b value also we got. That means almost all we have reached 50% of the solution. So now therefore, now take the question. Therefore, integration of what is question? 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx is equal to integration of only numerator term is going to be changed, but not denominator. So instead of denominator, I will write the same step. What is denominator? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x as it is. But instead of this 9 cos x minus sin x, what I can write? A into, a means what? 1. So 1 into d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and plus p into, b means what? 1. So 1 into, again 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. That's it. Next I will simplify this, we get the answer. So is equal to means is equal to integration. I am splitting this denominator return to first term and second term of the numerator. So plus first one into something, so d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx, and similarly this second term also by sum. What is this one? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx, integration of. Okay, are you understand? So integration of this term and this term is written integration of first term plus integration of second term. Obviously denominator can be written to both numerator terms. So here see the terms are same. Am I right? So both terms get cancelled. But here see this is the function means what 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. The function derivation what derivation of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Is that only in the numerator? Yes. So this is something and the same function derivation is in numerator. Means what? If it is f of x, this becomes d by dx of f of x. Means it is f of x, it is f dash of x. What is the integration of f dash x by f of x? First formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x. Okay. Log of integration of f dash of x by f of x dx form. Log of f of x. Okay. So only answer we have to write. That's it. Everything is completed. So which is equal for this log of this f of x. What is f of x? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. And plus here integration of cancelled. Only 1 is there. Integration of 1 no dx. Integration of 1 how much? X. X plus. So this is the answer. Completed. Okay. So which formula we use it here? Okay. For your convenience, I will write one more step. That is a formula writing. Since integration of f dash of x by f of x dx formula is log f of x plus c. Okay. According to that formula, answer of this next one is what? Log of denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus integration of 1 dx plus c. So which is called log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus x plus c is the answer of the given question. So don't bother about next also same type of question. I will explain that also. Okay, first take the problem. Numerator is fitted into a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator, and simplify these terms. Derivation of sin means what? Derivation of cos means what? And this one as it is written. And simplifying what are the cos x coefficient, what are the sin x coefficient, and equating both sides. What are the cos x coefficients? What are the sin x coefficients? And we get two equations. Solve these two equations. We get a and b values. So now use the a and b values and use the numerator term. Take the question, split the numerator term and simplify to get the solution. So here we used only one formula, that is integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. That is log of f of x only form. So let us see one more problem, same type of question. First write down this. Okay, second one. If you are very clear about this, just pause the video and do it the problem, and after that verify it. Otherwise, listen this one also. Same question. Evaluate integration of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. Okay. So first what you have to write the numerator solution. So here numerator is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Can be written as some capital A into d by dx of denominator 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, and plus again what? B into, yes, very good, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. So taking equation 1, better to take. Now A into, what is derivation of this term? 4 is first constant, right, as it is. Cos x derivation of cos x. Derivation of cos x what? Minus sin x. Plus 5 into derivation of sin x what? Cos x. Plus b into, here no derivation. So directly as it is we write down 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Now, So a into 4 into minus, how much? Minus 4a sin x. A into 5 becomes 5a cos x plus b into 4 cos x. So becomes 4b cos x plus b into 5. 5a sin x. Very good. Now what are the cos x coefficients here? 5a cos x coefficient here 4b. So we get 5a plus 4b into cos x. Next, sin x coefficients. Here minus 4a, here 5a. So plus minus 4a plus 5b sin x. Okay. So what is this here? 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. Now cos x coefficient is this one. Here cos x coefficient is 2. Okay. So equating, what is equating? Like terms. Okay. Equating like terms. So cos x term is 5a plus 4 is equal to here 2. Okay. Next, sin x coefficient here minus 4a plus b, here plus 3. So minus 4a plus 5b is equal to 3. So actually this one taken as equation 1. So that's why this is equation 2, this is equation 2. In the previous question also, first question also, you can treat the first numerator as equation 1, remaining 2, 3, no problem. Now we should solve this 2 and 3. How can we solve? If I want b value, a should be vanishing. So here a coefficient 5, here a coefficient 4. So it is multiplied with 4, we get 4 5 ja 20. Here it is multiplied with 5, 5 4 ja 20. Same terms we have here. So this one multiplied with 4, this one multiplied with 5. Okay? So 4 into equation 2, 5 into equation 2. So right now 4 into equation 1, that implies 4 into 5, 20a plus 4 into 4, 16b is equal to 4 into 2, 8. Similarly 5 into minus 4, yeah? 5 into equation 2, 5 into minus 4, minus 20a plus 5 into 5, 25b is equal to 5 into 3, 50. So by adding these two equations, here plus 20a minus 20a gets cancelled. Here adding 16 and 25 we get 41b is equal to 8 plus 15, how much? 23. So there is no cancelling. So b becomes 23 by 41. So therefore b equal 23 by 41. Keep this as this. Now I want a value. So substitute this b value in equation 2 or in equation 3. So substitute b equal 23 by 41 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? 5a plus 4b. 5a plus 4b. b means 23 by 41 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. So 5a plus, how much it becomes? 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 92 by 41 is equal to 2. So 5a equal 2 minus 92 by 41, which is equal to 41 is LCM, 41 into 2, 82 minus 92, 5a equal. So 5a equal 82 minus 92, how much? Minus 10 by 41. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja. So a equal minus 2 by 41. So we got it a value. How much? Minus 2 by 41. B value 23 by 11. Now substitute this a b values in equation 1. Substitute a comma b values in equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 becomes what? The numerator becomes, this is the equation 1. So in the previous question we did not write like in this, but if you write like in this, this is the better. So a means what? Minus 2 by 41. So minus 2 by 41 into d by dx of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b into b means what? 23 by 41. So 23 by 41 into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay. Next, take the question. Therefore, integration of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx is equal, okay, after this is equal numerator of, instead of numerator what we can write instead of this we can write this one. So what is that? Minus 2 by 41 into d by dx of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x whole dx by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Now write this denominator to first numerator term and the second numerator term, and the coefficients can be right outside. So this is the coefficient minus 2 by 41 right outside. Integration of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx plus here also constant term right outside 23 by 41 into integration of, okay, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. So here numerator denominator same terms gets cancelled. Here the denominator is term of this derivation is in numerator. So we can apply integration of numerator derivation denominator function. That is log of this function denominator. Means what? This is equal minus 2 by 41 into denominator what? That is log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay. Plus 23 by 41 into integration of 1 dx. So which is equal minus 2 by 41 into log of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 into what is the integration of 1? That is x, and plus constant is the answer. So this is, okay, this is not like much very lengthy. It's a very simple solution. So easy and important question. Next, third and fourth also like in the same process, same model. In this model we have third and fourth question also. So but in third and fourth some constant will be there. So if constant is there, then how to solve you can learn in the next class. Okay. So thank you for watching our class. Any doubt? Okay. If you are interested, please click the like button and give good comment. And, if you do not subscribe, please subscribe immediately. Thank you very much.